Sawadee ka. Welcome to Queen Patty Vlogs.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
I know you've been wondering why I named this Queen Patty Vlogs. Well, stick around. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Patty. I am from the Philippines, but now I am living here in Bangkok, Thailand. And right now, I actually work here as an English teacher. And some of the time, I also do interviews for Thai actors. Now, maybe you've been wondering why I am here working in Thailand. Well, to be honest, when I was in the Philippines before, I loved watching BL series from Thailand. For those of you who doesn't know what BL series is, it's actually boys love series. All right, so I started watching Love of Siam, which starred Mario Maurer and Piching. And then after that, it was actually a movie. And then after that, I watched Make It Right, the series with Pete Pimapon. It's actually one of my biases right now. So yeah, those started back like 2015, 16, I'm not sure. But during those days, I super love watching Thai BL series. And it made me want to come here and work here and stay here. And now that I'm working here, it was so fun because you know those uniforms that I'm seeing just on my laptop before? I'm seeing them live right now. Because of my love for this series, I moved to Thailand and luckily I got in and I'm working as a teacher right now. Now you're wondering why Queen Patty? Well, to be honest, it all began with the fan club that I actually started here, but now based in Manila. There is an actor here named Saint Supapong, very, very cute actor. I super like him because of his attitude, his working attitude, and all about him actually. That's why it made me create a fan club for him. And we named this fan club Saints Acolytes. And that's where it started. These acolytes or the members of the fan club called me Queen Patty. And that's it. That's why you have Queen Patty Vlogs right now. So what do you expect in this channel? Well, I am planning to actually show you some parts of Bangkok since I am here. So for those of you who doesn't have the time to travel to Bangkok yet, you may see and experience Bangkok right on this channel. And also those of the maybe Filipinos or other Asians or other teachers that would like to teach here in Thailand, I might be able to share some tips for you on how to get your teaching job here in Bangkok. And of course, who doesn't love to try Thai food? I love Thai food. And I will do some of like mukbang or food tasting for Thai food, or also I could maybe do like a cooking show where I will be cooking some Thai food just for you. And of course, I will be showing here some sneak peek of my interviews. As I told you earlier, I've been doing interviews for some BL actors, and it will be shown through Thai Entertainment Portal page. I'm going to have that link below so that you can actually check it out too. Those full interviews will be shown there, but some of the sneak peek will be shown here. And of course, since Thai Entertainment Portal is actually a producer for fan meeting and events, normally they do have fan meetings in the Philippines, in Manila, Philippines, and I do the hosting for them. So I'm going to have a sneak peek for you as well for the fan meetings. And that's it. If you have some suggestions or any recommendations, or if you don't feel like this is a good idea for me to do in this channel, just let me know. Comment down below. All right. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Just hit the subscribe button and also click that bell so that you will not miss any of my uploads. Again, my name is Patty. See you again on the next video.